Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Wanted to come out and shoot a quick video for you guys. We are on board one of our brand new 2026 Sylvan X3s. It's probably one of my favorite specs that we have currently of all the Sylvans that we've received. So really excited to show you guys this boat. Really nice front layout here up in the bow. Really nice plush seating as well as ample storage in all of your, underneath all your seating right here. This is our dual helm setup, so we have twin captain's chairs. Before we go over this, quick, massive storage compartment under here in your ski locker, so you can put anything from your fenders, your buoys, all your floaties, everything you're bringing out there on the water with you. That'll store all this in here and stay dry. Twin captain's chairs here at our helm station. We have a really nice fiberglass molded helm station, wet sounds audio system, as well as your Hummingbird multifunction display. So this is going to give you your chart plotter as well as your depth finder and your fish finder. Really nice accessories on the X series of the Sylvan. So we have underwater lights as well as exterior lights, and then a lot of your interior accent lighting, radio, horn, things like that. Moving back to the aft section of our boat, this is going to complement the front, so basically the same layout, but you will have a table right here in the center, so that will actually stay in or it will remove and store underneath your helm station. Really nice and wide gates on the X3. And then back here on our swim platform, tons of space back here, so whether you got kids swimming back here, you're all just hanging out, definitely plenty of room back here. You will have your ski tow bar as well as your Yamaha 200 horsepower motor. And then probably one of my favorite features of the X3 is actually going to be your lily pad ladder. So just makes getting on and off the boat really, really simple, whether you have little kids or your furry friends out there with you. Your first 3 steps are going to be vertical, and then you have like a staircase going up. So like I said, just makes getting on and off the boat really, really simple. Like I said, this is probably one of my favorite Sylvan X3s that we've ever made. So if you'd like to see more of it, visit us at marinemax.com or visit us here in Bald Ridge Marina.